And then, Kevin, where are the technology trends affecting SMBs? And you can let us know what you have against the iPad.
I have folks in the audience who are going, stop, just stop right there. So, there's also an Android system which has about 40,000 apps and growing exponentially. So I'm with you on the app side. The convergence from a mobility perspective is really, really exciting. And that's, if we look at the total number of internet users in the world, it's around 1.9 billion. If we look at the number of phone users in the next couple of years, that number is going to be around 2.5 to 3 billion. So the overall network that's being produced or being put in place to handle that, whether it's 3G or 4G or whatever the G is going to be, is really giving an opportunity to take devices in a different direction. Make those devices that we now think of as smartphones and move that over to tablets. Take our notebooks and have always-on connectivity to be able to access our entire business file structure, our entire customer base, whenever we want and where we want. Those are a couple of fundamental trends. The other piece, which is coming pretty quick, is, and I know the government's looking at it, and the sooner the better, is keeping Canada up to speed with the overall internet capabilities that we have. Going to 10 gigabyte Ethernet and beyond. We're seeing this occur in various parts around the globe, and I know there's some talk about things for Toronto. It's really, really critical for us. If we look at this growth of storage, 988 exabytes of storage, which is just a massive, massive number. Does anybody know what an exabyte is, by the way? An exabyte is 10 to the power of 18. That's a whole bunch of zeros. And 988 exabytes has been phrased, I looked it up in Wikipedia, you can do the same, has been phrased of all the words in every book ever written 18 million times. That's what is currently out there of data. The interesting thing is over the next 18 to 24 months, that will double. And small, medium businesses are not immune to this. So as we look at implementing 10 gigabyte Ethernet, the benefits of taking storage from expensive fiber to having it run on that Ethernet platform, utilizing iSCSI for that storage to make it very efficient, very scalable for small businesses and medium businesses to protect one of the most critical IT components in their environment, which is their data and the customer information that resides on it. Okay, so there's lots of stuff I could give on.